Does promoting on Telegram actually work? If done right, yes.
In fact, Telegram is a top 10 app with millions of new users every month. It means your potential audience here is huge and growing fast.
I've used Telegram for years to make money and grow my businesses, and I will tell you how I do it and how other businesses do it. Telegram has own ad platform
where you can launch ads for your business.
like Facebook or Instagram.
These ads appear inside public channels with over 1,000 subscribers right between regular posts or in Telegram's global search.
For example, one startup, Snappy AI,
that offers AI-generated headshots and creative portraits
uses Telegram ads to attract new users. But why it works?
This ad pops in the feed with a vivid AI portrait surrounded by red roses. The name tells you exactly what it does. The text promises beautiful photos in seconds, and the button pushes you to click right now.
How to set up Telegram ads. I explained it in another video, the link in the description. Want to sell without looking you are selling? That's what native posts in Telegram channels do.
They look and feel like regular posts, written in the channel's own style.
So readers see them as trusted recommendations, not just ads.
For example, Trending Apps is a community that shares cool Telegram apps from indie developers. They posted about Nuts Farm, a web-free learning game, in their usual style.
Why it works? The post looks like any other posts in Telegram channel.
A fun headline and bright image grab your attention. The short text tells you what the app does, and the rewards, premium boxes and NFTs make you want to jump in.
It didn't push to sell, just invited users to try in. In my Telegram channels, I post
about other businesses in a way that feels natural, so my audience doesn't realize it's paid promotion. Native posts in Telegram channels are perfect when you want your ad to feel like a trusted recommendation.
Your own Telegram channel equals your own media space. You can build a community around your brand
and turn it into a place to sell your products.
For example, Aviasales offers
cheap flights worldwide. They run one of the most popular travel-related Telegram channels. They share fun, useful travel posts that people enjoy reading. This builds trust, so when they offer flight deals, their audience is ready to buy.
I use my Telegram channels to promote my own products.
The Telegram Hero Guide and my consultation services. In one of my channels, I share free tips on Telegram promotion and monetization based on my experience.
People enjoy my content and often buy my guide for more in-depth information. They are just free ways to promote your business on Telegram. If you want more useful information, subscribe this YouTube channel and also my free Telegram channel about promotion and monetizing on Telegram.